Planning for retirement can feel overwhelming, but Facet Wealth promises to simplify the process. Here's my honest review after using their services. Facet Wealth is a financial planning platform that pairs you with a dedicated CFP professional to help you create a personalized retirement plan. Most people assume online planners are automated and impersonal, but Facet assigns you a real advisor who guides you through every step. The process starts with a detailed intake form where you input your income, expenses, savings, and goals. After that, you schedule video or phone consultations with your advisor. They analyze your financial situation and build a retirement plan tailored specifically to you. This includes projections for savings, investment strategies, and Social Security planning. One major advantage is transparency. Facet charges a flat annual fee rather than commissions, so you know exactly what you're paying. They also provide ongoing support, not just a one-time plan, which is crucial if your financial situation changes. During my experience, I appreciated how the advisor broke down complex concepts into understandable steps. They helped me identify gaps in my retirement savings and suggested practical strategies to improve my long-term outlook. For example, optimizing 401k contributions and adjusting investment allocations to match risk tolerance. A limitation to note is that Facet Wealth focuses primarily on planning and advice. They don't manage investments directly. You'll need a separate brokerage account to implement recommendations. However, the guidance you receive is actionable and personalized. In conclusion, Facet Wealth is ideal for anyone who wants hands-on guidance from a certified professional without dealing with complex DIY planning tools. If you're serious about retirement and want a tailored approach, it's worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews of financial tools, retirement planning tips, and strategies to take control of your money.